Hello Pajeros. Today I'm going to show you one common issue in Pajero generation 4. The mine already got broke. It's gear shift cover. As you can see over here, this plastic cover always, most of the generation 4 getting broke because it's a plastic fiber cover. I think it's a PVC cover. So here is my own fully cracked and its both side is gone. One is a top, one is a down. As a first step, we have to remove this knob, two knobs. There is a two screw on the side. After you removing the two screw, you can take it out easily. Anyway, here is my new gear shift cover. You can see it. So I'm gonna replace this ones. In UA you can get it. This one is very cheap price. I bought it around 80 dirhams. So it's the same as original. It's nothing error. Okay, let's start the process. Yeah, here is the two screw. One we already removed. This other one. Be carefully, make it, when you take it out, it's gonna be fall down. When you fall down, it will be hard to get it. Alright, easy. Okay, now easily you take out. You see? You have to remove this side, the other side, and remove this part as well. Okay. So other one you have to twist it. Keep it aside all these parts. You can get easily up. Alright. See the side of this one. Then down you can see the post screw. You have to remove that as well. Okay. Okay, I'm going to remove this panel now. So that I have removed my the two clips on this side. Carefully when you take it out, guys. When you take it out, this one, there is a one wire harness inside. There is a clip. You have to remove this one first before you take it out. Four more screw to remove it out. It is a broken panel. As always, Pajero giving a hard time for everyone. Anyway, let's replace the new ones. Okay, I'll be cleaning it with these ones. Keep your new gear shift covered inside in proper line over here. You can see and check this one is going inside. Yes, please. Right, replacing the other side. Alright, it's perfectly suited. You can see this is moving. It should be in the proper line. Okay, right, let's tie up the screw, and here is a lock as well. Okay, keep it tied over there. Push this lock. Okay, it will be locked well. Right, now double check it is work well. Yes, it is. Okay guys, I'm going to fix after replacing the gear shift cover, I'm going to fix the panel now. Leave this one in the panel. Let's try. Please take care of the gear knobs. That is mine. Yeah, here, baby, here. Boy. And these two clips. Okay, carefully that, and insert that and clip it. Yes, perfect. Yes, work is done. We put this screw over here. Now we have to put the clip only here. Tied up. Yes, Perfect. As you can see, my new gear shift cover perfectly fitted over here. Right, let's try it. Yes, it's moving smoothly. Yes, it's easy work, you can do it yourself. Please don't forget to follow my YouTube channel. Might it will help you for you something. Thank you so much. Ciao.